Hi, I'm Nisha Nair and I'm a career fluency coach. Welcome to my channel where I help young professionals speak English fluently using my English formula. So are you ready for it? Let's get started. I have noticed that beginners in English always mispronounce commonly used English words during their conversation without their knowledge. They are highly influenced with their native languages and often people are taught in an incorrect way to pronounce them. Well, not anymore, because today I'm going to teach you some commonly used English words which are pronounced incorrectly. So are you ready to master their pronunciation? So let's get started. So the first word that is pronounced incorrectly is introduction. It is introduction and not introduction. He gave a brief introduction about himself. The second word is forget. Yes, the word is not forget or forget, but it is forget. I will never forget the advice that you gave me. Third word that is pronounced incorrectly is almond. Almond? What is almond? Almond is, in Hindi we say it as badam. Yes, it is not called as almond. It's almond. Almond. I like almonds. The next word is bowl. Bowl of soup. It is a bowl of soup, not a bowl of soup. Can you please pass that bowl to me? The next word is Wednesday. Wednesday is one of the days of the week. Wednesday and not Wednesday or Wednesday. It's Wednesday. The meeting has been postponed to Wednesday. Yes. Next word is restaurant. This is the place that we normally go with our family and friends. The word is restaurant, not restaurant. It's restaurant. The restaurant has been recently renovated. The next important word that is commonly mispronounced is electrician. A person who is very helpful when there are no lights in the house and there's no electricity. So he's an electrician and not electrician. He's an electrician. The next commonly mispronounced word is adjective. This is a word that normally beginners use while learning grammar. The word is not adjective, not adjective, it's adjective. Adjectives make the sentence look interesting and expressive. The next word which is commonly mispronounced is this. Can you try this word? Yes. No? It's lingerie. What is a lingerie? Lingerie is the inner garments used by females. The example is, she has been modeling for a lingerie company for 2 years now. The next word is women. Woman? No, women. Women need to be respected. So these are the 12 words which are mispronounced, and I would want you to go step by step every word and practice it so that you too master these words and correct your pronunciation. That's it for today, all of you. Very soon I will come with a new video where I will try to help you in your English learning journey. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned. Bye. Take care.